Color plays a crucial role in transforming the mood and impact of any photograph. Whether you're shooting with a camera or refining your images through editing, mastering a few simple color techniques can make a dramatic difference. In this section, we'll explore 5 essential color hacks that are easy to apply and can instantly elevate your photos. These tips are designed for both beginners and experienced photographers, offering practical ways to enhance vibrancy, balance, and overall visual appeal. By understanding and utilizing these color strategies, you can bring out the best in your images and create a more captivating final result. Complementary colors are pairs found opposite each other on the color wheel, such as blue and orange or red and green. When placed side by side, these colors intensify one another, creating vibrant and eye-catching visuals. Artists and designers often use complementary color schemes to draw attention and add energy to their work. By carefully selecting and combining these hues, you can achieve a dynamic balance that makes elements stand out. Whether in painting, graphic design, or interior decor, understanding how complementary colors interact is key to producing memorable and impactful results. Discover the process of transforming your photos with a teal and orange cinematic grade, a style often seen in major Hollywood productions. This color grading technique emphasizes cool teal tones in the shadows and warm orange hues in the highlights, creating a visually striking contrast that draws attention to your subject. By carefully adjusting color balance and saturation, you can achieve a dynamic and polished look that enhances the mood of your images. The teal and orange palette not only adds depth, but also evokes a sense of drama and professionalism. Whether you're editing portraits or landscapes, mastering this approach can elevate your photography to a new level, making your work stand out with a vibrant, cinematic flair. Saturation and vibrance are 2 distinct tools used to enhance the colors in an image, but they work in different ways. Saturation increases the intensity of all colors equally, which can quickly make an image look unnatural if pushed too far. Vibrance, on the other hand, selectively boosts the intensity of less saturated colors while protecting skin tones and already vivid areas from becoming overly bright. This makes vibrance a more subtle and controlled way to enhance color without risking the harshness or distortion that can come from excessive saturation. By understanding when to use each adjustment, you can achieve a balanced and visually appealing result, ensuring that your images remain vibrant yet natural. Selective color pop is a creative editing technique that allows you to highlight particular colors within an image while rendering the rest in black and white or muted tone. By isolating and enhancing specific hues, this method draws the viewer's eye directly to important elements, such as a vibrant red dress or a striking blue sky. The contrast between the colored subject and its monochrome surroundings creates a dramatic effect, emphasizing details that might otherwise go unnoticed. This approach is often used in portrait, landscape, and product photography to add visual interest and focus. Mastering selective color pop can help you tell a more compelling story through your images. Adjusting the white balance of a photo can have a significant impact on its overall mood and atmosphere. When the white balance is set towards warmer tones, images often appear more inviting and comforting, with golden hues that evoke feelings of warmth and relaxation. Conversely, shifting the white balance towards cooler tones introduces blue and green shades, creating a mood that feels more dramatic or even somber. This simple adjustment can transform the emotional response a viewer has to an image, highlighting the importance of color temperature in photography. By understanding and manipulating white balance, photographers can effectively convey different stories and emotions through their work. By mastering these 5 color hacks, you can dramatically enhance the visual appeal of any photo. Whether you choose to apply them individually or combine several techniques, each method offers unique ways to create vibrant, professional-looking images. Adjusting color balance, boosting saturation, and experimenting with contrast can help highlight key elements and set the mood. Layering these effects allows for greater creative control, ensuring your photos stand out and capture attention. Ultimately, these hacks empower you to transform ordinary shots into striking, memorable visuals with ease.